a testament to elegance and engineering. Welcome to Luxury.com, where we celebrate the most iconic cars ever made. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a remarkable piece of pre-war automotive history, the Mercedes-Benz W153. Elegant, innovative, and a symbol of resilience during challenging times, the W153 is a car that deserves our admiration. Let's explore its fascinating story, groundbreaking engineering, and timeless design. Historical context: the birth of the W153. The Mercedes-Benz W153 was introduced in 1938 as a successor to the W143. This new model was designed to elevate the 230 series, offering a more refined and modern driving experience. The late 1930s were a turbulent time globally, with economic challenges and political tensions shaping the automotive industry. Despite this, Mercedes-Benz pushed forward, creating cars that embodied luxury, reliability, and engineering excellence. The W153 was more than just a car. It was a statement of elegance and innovation, designed to captivate both the elite and discerning motorists of its time. Exterior design: timeless elegance. The Mercedes-Benz W153 exudes sophistication. Its sleek, streamlined body reflects the modern design trends of the late 1930s, blending form and function seamlessly. One of the most striking features is its elongated hood, which hints at the power hidden beneath. The gently rounded fenders and smooth lines create a sense of fluidity, while the upright grille and signature three-pointed star command attention. The W153 was available in several body styles, including sedans, cabriolets, and coupes. These options allowed customers to choose a configuration that suited their personal style and needs. Each model was hand-finished with meticulous attention to detail, showcasing the craftsmanship that Mercedes-Benz was renowned for. Powertrain under the hood. Under the hood, the W153 featured an advanced 2.3-liter inline-six engine, producing 55 horsepower. For those seeking a bit more performance, a 2.7-liter inline-six engine was also available, generating 60 horsepower. These engines were paired with a 4-speed manual gearbox, offering smooth and precise gear changes. The W153 could achieve a top speed of approximately 116 kilometers per hour, 72 miles per hour, which was quite respectable for a luxury car of its time. The engineering of the W153 emphasized reliability and efficiency, making it a practical choice for long journeys while maintaining the luxury its owners expected. Interior: luxury redefined. Step inside the W153, and you'll find an interior that epitomizes comfort and sophistication. The spacious cabin was designed to offer a premium experience for both the driver and passengers. The seats were upholstered in high-quality leather, providing a luxurious feel while ensuring durability. The dashboard was a work of art, featuring a combination of polished wood and chrome accents. Every detail, from the elegantly designed gauges to the beautifully crafted door handles, reflected the meticulous craftsmanship that Mercedes-Benz was known for. The spacious rear seating area ensured that passengers traveled in comfort, making the W153 an ideal car for both business and leisure. Suspension and ride quality: smooth sailing. The W153 wasn't just about looks. It was built to provide an exceptional driving experience. The car featured an advanced independent front suspension and a swing-axle rear suspension, which significantly improved ride quality and handling. This innovative setup allowed the W153 to glide smoothly over uneven roads, offering a level of comfort that few cars of its era could match. Whether navigating city streets or winding countryside roads, the W153 delivered a refined and stable ride. Cultural impact: a symbol of prestige. The Mercedes-Benz W153 quickly became a symbol of success and prestige. It was often seen at high society events and in the driveways of Europe's elite. Despite the challenges of the late 1930s, the W153 represented a beacon of luxury and innovation. Its reputation for reliability and refinement ensured its place as one of the most desirable cars of its time. Post-war legacy and collectability. After World War II, surviving examples of the W153 became prized possessions. Today, the car is considered a rare gem, with only a limited number of units known to exist. Restored W153 models are highly sought after by collectors, often fetching significant sums at auctions. Their historical importance, combined with their timeless design, makes them a cherished piece of automotive history. The W153's legacy lives on as a testament to Mercedes-Benz's commitment to excellence, even during challenging times. And that brings us to the end of our journey into the world of the Mercedes-Benz W153, a car that not only defined an era, but also set the standard for luxury and innovation. What are your thoughts on this pre-war masterpiece? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Luxury.com for more stories of iconic cars from the past. Until next time, drive safe and stay inspired.